Greetings, patients. This is your guy here, Mike, your counselor for Techie Therapy, and ready for another session. So today's session is actually a couple unboxings I want to do. So I have a pair of Beats Series 2 matte black that I bought years ago, and the ear pads have messed up. So I ended up buying on Amazon some replacement ear pads. There's no sponsorship through anybody. I bought these with my own money. I can show you the receipt or the invoice. So this is what I bought here, and we'll unbox these shortly. The next thing I did was Amazon's been having a deal where when you buy a Fire Stick, it's 20 bucks for the Fire Stick. They have Prime, so I ended up buying another one. I've been wanting one in my room with my wife. I have a 2013 1080p Sony TV in there, and the apps on TVs nowadays, I guess apps on older TVs are not as good, and we can't get Disney Plus on that TV because it's so old. So I got the Amazon Fire Stick, regular Fire Stick. I think probably when Black Friday hits, I'll get a 4K one. Give this to my mom or something, like I always do. Shout out to mom. You know who she. I know if you know who she is, cool. Um, so, so yeah. So I'll unbox this and the ear pads. I'm gonna actually set up this as well. So I'll do a video about how to put these on and show how that works for that. And I also will do a video about how to make the new remote in here control your TV, because this is the Gen 2 version, and there's a power button on here, a volume rocker on here, a mute button on here, and so now they control TVs, actual TVs. So pretty cool. So as always, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe down below. Give some feedback on how I'm doing with this new channel. And I can't thank you enough again for spending time with me and watching. Appreciate it. This is the unboxing and setup of my Beats by Dre Studio 2 wireless, and these new ear pads I got from Amazon to replace the older pads. I want to say I got these Beats back in like 2014, 2015. It was like right when me and my wife started like dating, and it's been pretty wild. So yeah, so they're pretty good condition still. They still work. Just I had to replace the ear cups. So here's my Beats here, the black matte black, the charging cord, the power cord, all that jazz. So let's open these up. We'll see what's in here. So first, of course, you got the box. You got the instructions, I guess, features, PU leather. The weight is 7.5 grams, 17.5 grams. So I've already removed, obviously you can see my old cups, and I used some alcohol to remove all the adhesive off of it, so that's already got done. But it is cool though. These were like 10 bucks on Amazon. Oh, these feel pretty good. They feel pretty good. Not too bad. Wifey, would you want to feel the little cups over here? But yeah, they even give a little tool. Wow, look at that. And look, and I had to use a butter knife to take that off, man. That's pretty cool. What do you think?
Okay, I think they're cushiony, and
Yeah.
and I remember them being like this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Can't wait till they're back on there and you can wear them again.
Yeah. All right. So, see, take apart, clean up residue glue, tear off sticker, press stable on the ear pad. Well, that's easy. That's you can't get any more easier than that. So obviously this part here is for the charging port, because the little divot right there, and then this is just a regular part, like a regular ear cup. So let's try to go ahead and try to mash these up first, and then we'll remove the adhesive, the sticker, and then we'll try to put them on. So first, so this is gonna be easy because of the little part right here, but okay. So that got on pretty easy. Alright, so yep, so with the little holes, hopefully that looks pretty good. Let's try the other one, make sure I know what I'm doing on this side. And of course you got the seams, see the seams on the bottom, they always point down. That's just how beats are. So we'll put these, should have put this on here as well. And yep, and I got that one down too. Okay, all right. Well, I feel pretty confident about everything. I've already removed all the adhesive off of the old beats, so I'm not gonna use these wipes here because I already did it already. So let's go ahead and take the 3M sticker off and try to put these on here the best we can, folks. All right, so that came off pretty easy. And line it up with the sticker. Hopefully I get it correctly. And I think I got the one there. I guess it looks like it. So I'm gonna just start squeezing and laying down. And they're pretty soft. I don't want to obviously mess them up, but that's pretty good. Okay, so I got that one down, halfway down, I think. Okay, so let's get the other one. Let's get the other one. Now remember, please remember that the seam goes down. So let's do this. All right, and like so. Let me try to face it to you so I can put that on. Okay, so I got it. I think I got it on pretty good, and I do. All right, trying to make sure that it's all stable around. Now my missus she's been great. She gave me a few of her books, so I can make sure these are sealed properly. I'm hoping that I don't see any gaps or anything. I think we're good. I don't see any light or anything, so it should be good. All right, so she got me some books here, and so I'm going to put these on like this, like so. And I probably need one more book. So I'm gonna use my Black Privilege book from Charlemagne the God. Shout out to the missus for getting me this book. This is one of my favorite books I've ever read in my life. And so I'm gonna put this book here, and hopefully that should work. And people say 12 hours to leave this like this. I'm probably gonna do a full 24 hours. So right now it is It is 12:55, July 1st. So you won't use these until probably 2 o'clock tomorrow, July 2nd. So I would put these up here, and there we go. All right, folks. Well, that was the unboxing and setup of and repairing of my Beat Studio 2s. I'm going to do this unboxing of this the new Gen 2 FireTV Stick. I always thought it was called a Fire Stick, but it's a FireTV Stick. Okay. So I got this on Amazon. This is around in June 2020, and it was $20 because I had a Prime. Pretty good deal. So yeah. So all I really care about though is the remote. Honestly though, all I care about is the remote because my daughters use a very old LCD, and I bought the LCD TV when the PS3 came out. So that's over 10 years old. So I wanted them to get a newer remote, basically. So because the remote, this remote here is $30, but this was 20. Who would have, big Amazon. So we're gonna pull this stuff out and go on from there. I'm probably gonna sell the remainder on eBay, but I ain't gonna say nothing though. All right, so we'll open this up. This is how everything looks. You got the Fire TV, got the manual here, batteries, plug. Got the plug here, which I need. And the batteries. The remote is here, which I will install right now. All right, so I got that set up already. And I'll use that. So I'm gonna use this. Of course, here you got the Fire Stick itself right here, and then where's it at? Right here, you got the extend cable to make it longer. It's covered up, but you see the cord right there and stuff. But all I wanted was just the remote and the power plug for my daughter's room, and I would sell because I would sell the Fire Stick to a friend or something. So we're gonna put this back up here, and let's see here. Yep, so that goes in there. That goes here. And that is it. So folks, I have unboxed the Gen 2 Fire TV Stick. I will be selling or whatever doing with this later on. And that is it. All right, let's see here. All right, folks, so I'm gonna go to settings. And we're gonna go to remote. And then Fire Stick TV. Now, one of these I need to probably unpair. But that's what we'll do. So we'll do that in a minute. Okay, so now it is paired up. So now I'm going to go to equipment control. That's going to know that my TV is automatic. And let's see here. Let's see will it work or not. See TV, add equipment. Oh, look at that. Look at all those options you can pick. Oh, that's nice. That's snazzy. Didn't know that. Let's do change TV, just to make sure it's okay. All right, Sony TV. Look at that. Look at that. It knew it by the HDMI port, man. Look at that. Press on turn of TV. Wait 10 seconds. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut it back on. Sony. And it should come up what? Yes, it did. And Alabama's been updated. Yippee! Look at that. And I don't think I can still unpair this old remote. Yeah, no, you cannot unpair a remote that's still in use. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, so that is it. So that has now been concluded. So now I can go home and I can turn the volume up. That's what I wanted. It's on mute. We're good to go. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.